Kami sa Banigan, peoples. At nakikita nyo ba? Yan yung tinatawag nilang bungad. Nakapunta na ako dyan isang beses. Nilibot namin yan. Kami ng asawa ko. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Land of Banigan. Andyan yung sunrise. Oh, di ba? Sige, bye-bye. Don't forget to like and share our videos. And thank you, everybody. And don't forget to follow our social media account, Nicole Ibrahim, and our YouTube channel, Norhana Ibrahim. Thank you very much and bye-bye.